Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. I got a little C-clamp to show you. It's a Cincinnati Tool Co. made in USA. It's got the Hargrave logo there, which just means it was designed. Anytime you see this marking, it means it was designed by John M. Hargrave. It's got the wing screw here, 4-inch standard clamp, number 540, tested, still in pretty good condition. The Cincinnati Tool Company was founded in 1877. In 1924 it changed to the Hargrave Company, so this clamp should be pre-1924. It's got some strange markings there. Arma Steel on the bottom there. Thanks for watching.